I'm going to show you how to graph on IXL, or at least do a graphing assignment on IXL. This particular problem is asking me to first complete the table and then graph the functions. Alright, so I have y equals x plus 7. So whatever x is, I'm going to substitute it into that x right there. So y equals 0 plus 7, which is 7. Y equals 1 plus 7, which is 8. Y equals 2 plus 7, which is 9. Y equals 3 plus 7, which is 10. So I have xy, which means this is the point 0, 7. So I have points here. I have points 0, 7, 1, 8, 2, 9, 3, 10. And I graph them. So what do? I go to 0, 7, put a dot there, and all I did was click. Okay. Another point that I had was 1, 8. So I go to 1, 8, put a dot there and click, and there my line shows up. I'm going to put the other dots there anyway, just in case, because I'm paranoid that if I hit submit and the dots aren't there, it'll count it as wrong. So I have 2, 9, which is 2, 9. Uh-oh. So will it only let me do 2 points? All right, so it will only let me do 2 points, which I didn't know. Click submit. Fantastic. Okay, so let's do one more quick. Y equals x plus 2, so y equals 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. And then it skips. Y equals 7 plus 2 is 9. And then y equals 8 plus 2 is 10. So I have 1, 3 as a point. 1, 3 is one of my points. There's a dot. 7, 9 is another point. So 7, 9 is another point. A line is created. Submit. Correct. Okay? So make sure you fill out the table, complete the line, and as the problem gets more complicated, make sure you just be careful with your math. All right? That should do it. Bye.